We woke up one random day, and of course, our AC was not working. And if you know anything about Houston, Texas, right now it is hot and humid. So it was pretty miserable really, really quickly. We had used Abacus previously for an incident that happened at the house maybe over a year ago. So we knew to call them back up. We had a great experience then. So we got them on the phone. They were able to get someone out the next day for us. We had a gentleman come in. He was timely. He was able to identify the issue very, very quickly. And also, he identified probably the issue that maybe a little bit more reoccurring is there was a copper wire that was actually exposed, making it easier for lightning to obviously strike and hit it and then knock it out. So even for the long term, we were able to kind of prepare, fix that. And he was able to help us with that too. So that was really, really amazing experience. Very, very helpful. And we had a great experience, me, my husband, and my family. And I would highly recommend Abacus to my friends and family here in the Houston area.
Abacus, you can count on us.